Hi everyone, is Raukan. I play Fortnite now, so let's rank the duo loadout. For the IGL, which is Adnan, he will carry the Terra Assault Rifle because it's not back in the game. The Iron Pump, then the wingsuit with the 3 muscle grenades and a jug. Me when I'm a fragger, I will carry the Flix SMG, you know. If your ID is then you have slow fire rate, but if you like don't scope in, then it has a faster fire rate. For my shotgun is of course the iron pump. My movement is wingsuit like a nut, so we can rotate together. For my heals is minis in big kits.